You are in a new location since we last spoke. You just said that. Give us the tour.
All right. Well, let me see what I can do. We'll do a partial tour because we'd be here for a half hour. I would love to go to the roof and show you around, but
Oh
I'm
my
gonna get
gosh, that would have been cool.
well, we'll see. I'd have to go in the elevator, and I don't know how
Yeah,
that
you
goes.
probably lose signal and then it'll get all gooned up.
All
So
right,
let's
so I'm gonna try and go slow so it doesn't jump around too much.
looking
Um,
good right now. So wait a minute,
so
before you go further, Michael, can you point the camera to the sky because you've got little cloud lights.
yes, we
Oh
do.
my gosh, that's so cute.
And then if you know our data system, it's a hexagon data model, and even our
Yeah.
floor is hexagons. I don't know if you can
Oh,
see the
you've
floor.
got branding and themes throughout. This is
Yep.
awesome.
And then we have one of our partners, Sunflower Labs. We have our APIs and authorization system built into it. And this is built into the roof as well. So it's a security drone that is a drone in a box. I don't know if you can see that.
Look at this. Yeah, it's moving. So
Yes.
Sunflower Labs, I've seen them at shows and I want to get to know them better. So when did you start partnering with them?
Over a year ago. And now when this drone takes off, it does an airspace check, uses our APIs, and then their customers, when they sell the system, it uses our system. So when they go to authorize a
Wow.
flight through their platform, it connects to Airspace Link's LANC system, and if they have a waiver to fly different rule sets, they use that as well. So
So
just an
Michael,
example of a partner.
is this the first OEM where you've directly integrated with their product?
No, we have quite a few more. So we have a
Okay.
lot of APIs running. I don't know if can say live, but
Yeah,
quite a
yeah.
few companies have embedded our technology into their OEMs or into their software for different use cases. And we'll talk about that a little bit later about
Yeah, yeah.
what use cases. Um,
So Michael, are you in the lobby right now of
no,
your building?
I'm in my office,
Okay.
and it's pretty big. So I'm just gonna show this room. The lights come
Okay.
on.
Oh,
You
I
can
can
see
see it.
this.
So what is that on the wall? Is that the
So
wall?
yeah, we're deploying a 3-mile radius of radar communication networks. It's called the Detroit Air Advanced Air Mobility Innovation Region, and that's on our wall right now. So as operators and operations and customers are flying, we have an area that it's kind of like our war room of what's
Oh
happening.
wow, that's live.
No, that's wallpaper. It just looks.
Oh my God, that is awesome. By the way, maybe a HGTV tip for you. I've seen actually showers where they have wallpaper like that instead of tile in the shower with like some kind of laminate over it. I'm
Yeah.
just saying, I think the Healander household needs one of those in their
I
bathroom.
think you're right. Well, you wouldn't believe it or not, I have hexagons for lights in my garage. So,
Oh, I love it. All right,
so,
so you're
so
walking us now to where?
to the operations center in the back of the room. Well,
Okay.
you can see, I think, here's
Yeah, we
where
can totally
our
see.
developers are.
Yeah.
25% of our, we have 25 software developers, and we got some co-founders here. This is Anna. This is a co.
Hi, Anna. Great to see you.
We're live.
Oh, you got a puppy in the office.
Yeah,
How cool is that?
yeah, that's Murph.
Oh,
So,
hey, you know what? I want to work there. Hi.
so they have no idea that we're running live. So you can see all the people operating.
I can, and some of your teammates here I did meet last week at Expo.
Okay.
So that's super cool. Now you've got something that looks to be moving, computer-like thing on the wall there. What are we looking at there?
So this is our operations center. I don't know what we're running right there, but it has 4 screens with speaker systems. And then what we'll do is we'll move the different monitors will have different data, whether it be weather. In this case,
Yeah.
it looks like it's running full AirHub portal. I couldn't tell you what it's doing. I didn't expect to walk over here. But there
Well,
are.
that's really cool though.
Yep.
So, wow, amazing. What else do you want to show us as we're walking around here?
We got we have drone racing in the office. I don't know if you can see all the hula hoops.
Are you kidding? You guys play?
Yeah, so we have a bunch of drones that we race through the office for training, for fun.
Like I said, I want to work there. Now, let's brag about your team and your you've actually been recognized, right, for your workplace environment.
Yeah, we have multiple awards for our diversity, our equity, inclusion, our makeup of our leadership team, and just our company,
Yeah.
and our work and our benefits, everything. We've done a really good job. We have excellent head of people operations. She's done a great job of helping us build our company. Again,
Yeah.
from 3 people to almost 60 now.
Wow, that's amazing.
And
All
then
right.
that's cornhole. Again,
You got
cornhole.
your own branded cornhole. Hey, Michael, you got to bring that to Expo next time. People will
Yeah,
be playing that in the hallway, my friend.
yeah. All right. I'll start heading back. We do have like some pictures here. Here's the team in Dubai. Our team,
Oh,
we're doing
wow.
a project in Dubai. So
Yeah.
we've done some international work.
So you got a little wall of fame there.
Yeah.